In the heart of Anambra State lies Nnewi, a land steeped in mystery and fortune. A city often whispered about for its billionaires is where fortunes are made, empires are built, and legacies are carved in stone. Nnewi is not just a town, it's the heartbeat of commerce and industrial prowess in Nigeria, home to some of the wealthiest people in Africa. In this video, we unravel the stories of the men and women who have turned Nnewi into a golden hub of wealth. Their lives are tales of resilience, ambition, and determination, creating a legacy that goes beyond Nigeria's borders. Join us on Ebonyi People TV as we embark on this journey to uncover the stories behind Nnewi's most affluent individuals. These tales are woven with passion, sacrifice, and unmatched entrepreneurial spirit, reflecting the spirit of Igbo ingenuity. Prepare yourself for a captivating narrative that will leave you inspired and awed by the power of vision, hard work, and persistence. Long before the skyscrapers of Lagos and the booming oil industries of the Niger Delta, there was Nnewi. This small town, known for its industrial spirit, was already setting the pace for economic growth in the eastern region of Nigeria, unlike other cities built on foreign investment. Nnewi's wealth sprouted from the soil of indigenous enterprise. It was the marketplace where the hum of commerce echoed through the narrow streets. It was a city of traders, of men and women who understood that the road to success wasn't always paved with gold, but built with grit and determination. The likes of Chief Augustine Ilodibe, the trailblazer behind the Ekene Dilichukwu transport, opened the door to this wealth narrative. Ilodibe's venture into the transportation business in the 1950s sparked a revolution in Nigeria's road transport system, making his name synonymous with luxurious buses. But more than that, he set the pace for others to follow. His success was not just in the buses he put on the road, but in the lives he touched by opening doors for others in Nnewi to venture into business. Fast forward to a few decades, and Nnewi has evolved into the home of industrial giants, men like Innocent Ifediaso Chukwuma, founder of Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company, epitomized the modern face of Nnewi wealth. Chukwuma's story is one of remarkable ambition. From humble beginnings as a small-scale motorcycle parts trader, he grew to become Nigeria's premier automobile manufacturer, producing vehicles tailored to the African market. His success is a testament to the Igbo spirit of resilience and innovation, where obstacles are simply stepping stones to greatness. But Nnewi's story is incomplete without mentioning Cosmas Maduka, the brain behind Koschari's group. Known for his automobile empire, Maduka built his fortune by importing luxurious vehicles, including the globally renowned BMW brand. However, his wealth is not just a result of car sales, but a diversified portfolio that includes agriculture, technology, and banking. His humble beginnings as a young apprentice selling spare parts in Lagos made his rise to billionaire status all the more awe-inspiring. Sadly, Nnewi and Nigeria lost one of such notable persons, Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah. Ifeanyi established himself as a major importer of motor tires and spare parts across West Africa, with a focus on countries such as Ghana, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and DR Congo. His successful expansion led to business ventures in several European countries, including Belgium and the United Kingdom. He established Capital Oil and Gas Limited in 2001 and also founded the Authority newspaper, a Nigerian daily newspaper. Furthermore, he acquired Gabriel's International Football Club and rebranded it as Ifeanyi Ubah FC, a prominent football club in the Nigerian Premier League. Ubah tragically passed away on 27th July 2024 due to a sudden cardiac arrest in London at the age of 52. He was reported that he had traveled from Nigeria to the United Kingdom just 2 days before, on 25th July. The allure of Nnewi's wealth extends far beyond mere materialism. The influential business magnates of this region have not only amassed significant wealth, but have also established intricate systems and structures that serve as the backbone of local economies. Through their ventures, they have provided employment opportunities to thousands of individuals, ultimately contributing to the prosperity of the community. Furthermore, their success stories serve as invaluable blueprints for emerging entrepreneurs, both within and beyond the borders of Nnewi, inspiring countless individuals to pursue their entrepreneurial aspirations. While men like Chukwuma and Maduka dominate the headlines, the women of Nnewi are just as formidable in their wealth creation stories. Behind the curtains of Nnewi's male-dominated entrepreneurial space, there are women who have carved out niches of success in their own right. Take for instance, Dr. Stella Okoli, the founder of Emzo Pharmaceuticals, one of the largest indigenous pharmaceutical companies in Nigeria. Okoli's journey began when she identified the need for affordable and accessible drugs in Nigeria. Today, her company is a household name, not just in Nnewi, but across Africa. Her empire supplies quality drugs to the millions of Nigerians and employs hundreds of people, contributing significantly to the health sector and the local economy. Then there is Chioma Ajunwa, not only a pioneer in sports as Nigeria's first Olympic gold medalist, but also a shrewd businesswoman. Her venture into real estate and establishment has seen her multiply her wealth, proving that success in Nnewi is not just limited by gender, but driven by vision and determination. One common trait among the wealthiest individuals from Nnewi is their commitment to giving back to society. The Igbo tradition of no one should be left behind runs deep, and these billionaires exemplify it. From building schools to hospitals, these individuals understand that wealth is not just about accumulation, but also about impact. Innocent Chukwuma, for example, is renowned for his contributions to education in Nnewi through scholarships and grants. He has empowered many young people, offering them the opportunity to pursue dreams that otherwise seemed out of reach. Cosmas Maduka has invested heavily in youth development programs, ensuring that the next generation is equipped with the skills and knowledge to carry the torch of innovation forward. However, perhaps the most significant figure in this philanthropic space is Chief Cletus Ibeto, the founder of the Ibeto Group. Once a small apprentice in the spare parts market, Ibeto grew his business into one of the largest conglomerates in Africa, spanning cement production, oil and gas, and real estate. His wealth is as vast as his heart. Ibeto's contributions to the less privileged in Nnewi and beyond are legendary. His foundation focuses on healthcare, education, and economic empowerment for the most vulnerable in society. Ibeto is not just a businessman, but a custodian of hope for many in Nnewi. As we draw closer to the present day, we cannot help but wonder what the future holds for Nnewi's wealth landscape. The baton of business is being passed down to the younger generation. Sons and daughters of these industrial magnates are taking over family businesses, expanding them into new frontiers. For instance, Chijioke Maduka, a son of Cosmos Maduka, is making waves in the technology and fintech industries. His vision is clear: to expand beyond traditional business models and tap into the digital economy. This new generation of Nnewi entrepreneurs is no longer confined to the physical market. They're embracing the digital age and exploring new industries such as fintech, e-commerce, and renewable energy. The likes of Obinna Chukwuma and Ifeanyi Ibeto are leading the charge, ensuring that Nnewi continues to dominate not just in Nigeria but globally. The future of wealth in Nnewi is also deeply rooted in legacy. These billionaires have built more than just businesses. They've constructed legacies that will last for generations. Their stories remind us that true wealth is not just measured by monetary value, but by the impact one has on the lives of others. Nnewi stands tall today as a beacon of entrepreneurship, resilience, and vision, with men and women who have shown their success is attainable through hard work, persistence, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. From the humble streets of traders to the grand estates of billionaires, the journey of Nnewi's wealthiest is a powerful narrative of transformation, growth, and impact. These individuals have not only built personal fortunes, but have also uplifted entire communities, creating opportunities for others to rise. Their legacies are woven into the very fabric of Nnewi, serving as a reminder that with the right mindset, anyone can achieve greatness. As we reflect on their lives, one thing becomes very clear: Nnewi's story is far from over. The next chapter of its wealth narrative is just beginning, and it is sure to be as remarkable as the last. Thank you for watching Ebonyi People TV. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories about the people and places shaping our great nation.